Bezos quits on business every entrepreneur must know. Jeff Bezos, founder and CEO of the e-commerce company Amazon. We have had three big ideas at Amazon that we have stuck with for 18 years. And they are the reason we are successful. Put the customer first, invent, and be patient. If you replace customer with reader, that approach, that point of view can be successful at the post too. If you absolutely cannot tolerate critics, then don't do anything new or interesting. We are building what's called a private cloud for them, the CIA, because they don't want to be on the public cloud. You got to earn your keep in this world. When you invent something new, if customer come to the party, it's disruptive to the old way. Be stubborn on the vision, but flexible on the details. That kind of divine discontent comes from observing customers and nothing that things can always be better. Your margin is my opportunity. Communication is a sign of dysfunction. It means people are not working together in a close, organic way. We should be trying to figure out ways for teams to communicate less with each others, not more. If you build a great experience, customer tell each other about that. Word of mouth is very powerful. If your competitor focus, you have to wait until there is a competitor doing something. Being customer focused allows you to be more pioneering. One of the hack mistake people make is that they try to force an interest on themselves. You don't show your passion shows you. Complaining is not a strategy. If you don't understand the details of your business, you are going to fail. Failure and invention are inseparable twins. The best customer service is if the customer does not need to call you, does not need to talk to you. It just works. Life's too short to hang out with people who are not resourceful.